Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is all about the 10 scenic waterfalls in the Philippines that will take your breath away. With over 7,500 fascinating islands, breathtaking waterfalls in the Philippines, diverse geography, palatable cuisine, and hospitable people, the country is a paradise that travelers make sure to include in their bucket list. And for people who want extra adventures, they aim to see nature's best no matter how hard the journey will be. Most travelers like to see the amazing falls in the Philippines, even though it includes hours of trekking. From the iconic Kawasan Falls in Cebu to the stunning Laguna waterfalls, there are tons of refreshing cascades to see. Fall head over heels with these 10 stunning waterfalls in the Philippines you should visit at least once. Number 10, Hulugan Falls. While Laguna is best known for hot and cold springs, it is also home to numerous waterfalls that became a favorite weekend destination of city dwellers. One of the most famous is the Hulugan Falls Laguna in Louisiana. It's recommended to go here early in the morning so you can see the rainbow that's always there around 9 a.m. Going here from the main town just takes 30 minutes, but it's climbing back up that's quite the challenge. Nevertheless, this Louisiana Laguna Falls is indeed nothing short of amazing. Number 9, Hidden Falls. Another falls near Manila is the Hidden Falls. This waterfall is near the Hulugan Falls and is tucked in by giant boulders, hence the name. Hidden Falls Laguna is smaller than the Hulugan and is more difficult to reach. If you're planning to go there, be careful as the trail is steep and risky. Number 8, Pagsanhan Falls, Laguna. Approximately 300 feet tall, Pagsanhan Falls, Laguna is one of the province's major attractions and among the best falls near Manila to visit. To get to these three-tiered falls, you either have to take the thrilling indigenous dugout canoe ride or enjoy a hike. Number 7, Limunsudan Falls. Limunsudan Falls, located in Iligan City, is one of the largest falls in the country. Standing at 900 feet, this waterfalls comprises two distinct tiers. Not many tourists brave this waterfall because of its remote and difficult to access location. It takes at least 3 to 4 hours one-way drive from Cagayan de Oro, which is the most convenient jump-off point to the waterfall. And to our surprise, not many locals know about Limunsudan Falls. Take advantage of it and be among the first ones to see the majestic falls. Number 6, Pahangog Twin Falls. Done touring the breathtaking Chocolate Hills or having that buhis-buhay picture-taking in man-made forest, it's now time to have yourself relax at the famous Pahangog Twin Falls, Bohol, located in Dimiao Town. The Twin Falls is about 98 feet in height and surrounded by lush vegetation, including beautiful orchids. Number 5, Kawasan Falls. There is no doubt that Kawasan Falls is considered as one of the most stunning waterfalls in the Philippines. Its turquoise water charms its visitors, making it an Instagram favorite destination. These falls in Cebu South is never a disappointment to anyone who has been there. Kawasan Falls, Philippines should never be missed. Number 4, Inambakan Falls. Aside from the Kawasan Falls in Cebu, Inambakan is also a great destination for waterfall hopping. Located at the town of Hinatilan, that is most commonly known for its marine activities like diving, swimming, and whale watching, not many tourists are aware of this gem. Standing at 100 feet, the aquamarine waters of Inambakan Falls, Cebu plunge down into a pool deep enough for a good swim. Number 3, Tinago Falls. Hidden deep within a jungle in Iligan City is an incredible waterfall that plunges into a dazzling blue-green pool. Tucked within a ravine, this majestic waterfall's name fittingly means hidden. Standing at 240 feet, Tinago Falls, Mindanao is surrounded by colossal rock structures dotted by thick masses of trees and natural foliage. These waterfalls charm leaves visitors in awe. Number 2, Cambugahay Falls. Some people don't consider Siquijor province as their travel destination because of the old beliefs, like it's full of mystic traditions such as witchcraft, healing, and spiritual rituals. While we don't have any proof that those aren't true or not, it's actually a good place to explore, especially with the beautiful Siquijor waterfalls. Located at the town of Lassi, Cambugahay Falls is considered as one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the Philippines. This Siquijor waterfalls is a sure hit for tourists because of its turquoise clean and warm water originating from natural springs. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.